Hey everyone, is your car shifting weirdly, struggling to change gears, or even going into limp mode? If your scanner shows trouble code P0874, transmission fluid pressure sensor switch A circuit intermittent, then you need to act fast before it leads to major transmission failure. This issue can cause hard shifting, slipping gears, and transmission overheating. But don't worry, in this video I'll explain what this code means, its symptoms, possible causes, and most importantly, the exact sensor locations so you can fix it yourself. Let's get started. What is P0874? The P0874 code is triggered when the Transmission Control Module, TCM, detects an intermittent signal from the Transmission Fluid Pressure Sensor, TFPS-A. This sensor monitors hydraulic pressure inside the transmission, which is essential for smooth shifting. Common symptoms of P0874: erratic or delayed gear shifting, transmission slipping or stuck in limp mode, check engine light, CEL, or transmission warning light, jerky or harsh gear engagement, unusual noises when changing gears. Now let's talk about where to find the key components. To properly diagnose P0874, check these key components. Transmission Fluid Pressure Sensor, TFPS. A. Location: mounted on the transmission valve body, inside the transmission case in most vehicles. In some models, it's accessible externally near the transmission housing. Function: measures transmission fluid pressure and sends signals to the TCM, Transmission Control Module, TCM. Location: usually found near the transmission, inside the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function: controls transmission shifting based on pressure sensor data. Transmission pump and valve body. Location: inside the transmission case, accessible by removing the transmission pan. Function: regulates hydraulic pressure for gear shifting. Transmission wiring harness and connectors. Location: runs from the transmission to the ECU TCM, often located near the engine bay. Function: transfers electrical signals between the sensors and the TCM. Common causes of P0874: faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor, TFPS. A. A failing sensor can send inconsistent signals. Low or dirty transmission fluid. Contaminated or low fluid can cause pressure fluctuations. Wiring issues or loose connections. Corroded or damaged wires can cause intermittent signals. Failing transmission pump or valve body. Internal failures can cause fluid pressure issues. Malfunctioning TCM, a software glitch or faulty module may misread pressure sensor data. Overheated transmission. Excessive heat can cause fluid breakdown and shifting problems. How to fix P0874? Step 1. Check and replace transmission fluid. Ensure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2. Inspect the TFPS-A sensor. Use a multimeter to check voltage fluctuations and replace if necessary. Step 3. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for damaged or corroded wires and repair them. Step 4. Check the transmission pump and valve body. Clean or replace if clogged or faulty. Step 5. Scan for additional codes. Other transmission codes may indicate related issues. Step 6. Reset or update the TCM software. A reset can sometimes resolve intermittent issues. Final words: the P0874 trouble code means your transmission fluid pressure sensor A is sending intermittent signals, which can lead to serious transmission problems if ignored. By checking fluid levels, sensors, wiring, and the valve body, you can diagnose and fix this issue before it worsens. Watch these related videos next. P0614, ECM, TCM incompatible, P0615, starter relay circuit malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.